Hi Charanjeet, thanks for coming out here in Las Vegas. How are you enjoying here?
Oh, I love every minute of my trip here, and it's been wonderful to visit with both you and Rita. We first met in 1981,
That's right.
and I know you ever since then. Yes.
Yes, it was great having
Mhm.
time in All India Institute. Do you remember the time when when all our friends found out that your dad has a poultry farm? So we all teased you.
Yeah.
And for teasingly we told you that hey, your dad has a poultry farm. How come you never brought eggs for us?
Yeah. Oh yes, so I brought 3 trays or about 100 eggs with me on a train trip from my village.
Like do you have a village train coming to your village?
Uh, no, the
Okay.
train is actually only a short, 10 miles away.
So how do you get to the train?
Oh, someone dropped me there at the
Okay.
train. Yes.
Okay, someone dropped you, and then you took the train,
Then I
and
took the
then
train,
you took the
yes.
train journey, and then you came to New Delhi railway station, and
Yes.
from there you took a
I
bus,
took a bus and then
and all this journey,
yeah, I had
you
100
had
eggs
your
with me.
eggs with you, you have your luggage with you,
Yes.
in a public bus, a crowded Delhi public bus. I know how crowded it is, and you brought it, and then you brought it back.
Yes.
You put it in front of our friend Jane,
Yeah.
and you told him, here are these eggs. You asked me to bring eggs. Here are your
Here are
eggs.
these eggs.
It was funny. It was very funny. Everybody remembers that story very well. And Charanjeet, for our breakfast today,
Yes.
we are going to be making eggs in my way. I make this type of frittata probably once a week. Me and my wife, we use 4 eggs, but today we have company, so we're going to make a frittata with 6 eggs. The way I'm going to be making, it will be a complete breakfast. It will have a whole wheat tortilla in the bottom, and we'll saute some vegetables, mix them together with the eggs, and pour it over on top of tortilla, bake it, and then sprinkle some cheese on top. So it has dairy group, it has got your egg proteins, it has your vegetable group, and also it has got your bread. So it is delightful and very minimal fat. It's very, very, very healthy dish. I hope you'll enjoy it. So Charanjeet, here's your frittata. How delicious it looks.
Oh, it looks really delicious, and I can see it up close. It looks really wonderful.
So Charanjeet, let me show you how we make this. We start out with whatever vegetables we have available. This time I'm making with two main vegetables, that will be squash and mushrooms. And we'll supplement it with onions, tomatoes, cilantro, and green chili. First, we chop them up and get them ready to saute in oil. Turn the heater on medium, and put our first we saute onions until they turn golden brown. Put a teaspoon of oil. By the way, there is no rule that frittata has to be made exactly with the vegetables and things I'm choosing. One can always choose the vegetables of their choice, and even meats of their choice, like bacon, chicken pieces, ham, sausages, whatever is desired in a frittata. After that, we add our vegetables and we cook them slightly. They do not have to be thoroughly cooked, just a medium saute, medium stir fry. Then at the end, we add some jalapenos and we cook them a little bit more. Then we add half teaspoon of salt, sprinkle small amount of black peppers, stir them again. I'm taking 6 eggs, 2 per person. I will also be adding tomatoes, cilantro, and cheese to it, and salt and pepper, of course. We crack our eggs. We add salt, just a little bit. Then we add a little bit of black pepper in it and give it a nice stir. Look at my motor hands. By the way, ladies love that. Rest of the ingredients is I add some carbonation to the mixture, some club soda. I'm a purist, so I'm making this club soda using a soda stream fountain soda maker. So here's my soda. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of soda per 2 eggs, means half a tablespoon per egg. So I mix that all together, give it a shake. Again my motor hands, and then I add our sautéed vegetables to it. Give it another shake, my motor hands again. Now I add tomatoes uncooked and cilantro uncooked and give it another nice shake. I'm going to be taking some soft shell whole wheat tortillas. So I take a cake pan, line it up with parchment paper, add some oil to it, gently spread it out, and add 1 tortilla in the bottom of the pan. I'm adding all our mixture on top of this tortilla. Spread it out and spread some cheese on top of it. We are ready to bake it. Ready? You can bake it in oven, but I'm doing it in a toaster at 375 degrees for 15 minutes. Oops! If you have unheated toaster, you can go for 20 minutes. So 15 minutes later, we have our frittata ready. So Charanjeet, here is your frittata. So I'm taking out the frittata from the pan. You get rid of the parchment paper. Charanjeet is getting hungry, so I hope he likes it. Right? Well, how about it, Charanjeet?
Oh, it sounds definitely wonderful and already looks tasteful to me.
Let's cut it, and we are ready to have our breakfast. Here's your piece, Charanjeet.
All right. Yummy. Right. Looks very good.